Hello friends, welcome to our channel with a new video. Today I will start weekly current affair from 12 October to 17 October 2020. Let's start it. So, first question, who has been appointed by the Supreme Court to monitor steps to prevent stubble burning in the state of Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Madan B. Lokur. Madan B. Lokur, a former judge of the Apex Court. Next question. Kapila Kalam program was launched by which Union Minister? Answer is Union Minister, Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal. Kapila full form Kalam Program for Intellectual Property Literacy and Awareness Campaign. Then next question. When the International Day for the Eradication of Poverty is celebrated? Answer is October 17. Theme for 2020: Acting Together to Achieve Social and Environmental Justice for All. Then next question. World Food Day is celebrated on which day? Answer is 16 October. World Food Day 2020 theme is Grow, Nourish, Sustain Together. The day is celebrated to eradicate worldwide hunger from our lifetime. Next question. My Town, My Pride is a program announced by which state or union government? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha. Next question. Who is the author of the book The Battle of Belonging? Answer is Shashi Tharoor. When is the 36th Rising Day of National Security Guard, that is NSG, is observed? Answer is October 16. National Security Guard Headquarters New Delhi. Director General of National Security Guard Anup Kumar Singh. Motto of National Security Guard Sarvatra Sarvotam Suraksha. Next question. Who has been appointed as India's next permanent representative to the UNESCO? Answer is Vishal V. Sharma. UNESCO headquarters Paris, France. Founded in 16 November 1955. UNESCO head Adro Azoulay. UNESCO full form United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Next question. Who has been appointed as the interim president of the International Weightlifting Federation? Answer is Dr. Michael Irani of Great Britain. International Weightlifting Federation headquarters Budapest, Hungary. Founded in 1905. Next question. Who was the first Indian to win the Oscar award in 1983? Answer is Bhanu Athaiya. She died at the age of 91 on 15 October 2020. She won the Best Costume Design Oscar for her work in the film Gandhi. Next question. Soronbhai Jeenbekov was the president of which country resigned from his post? Kyrgyzstan. Capital of Kyrgyzstan Bishkek. Currency Kyrgyzstani Som. Next question. What is the theme of the International Day of Rural Women 2020 is observed on 15 October every year. The theme is Building Rural Women's Resilience in the Wake of COVID-19. In India, the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare observed the day as the Rashtriya Mahila Kisan Divas since 2016. Next question. Which project has been approved by the Union Cabinet chaired by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Answer is STARS project. The full form of STARS is Strengthening Teaching, Learning and a Result for the States. The STARS project is a newly sponsored scheme under the Ministry of Education. This project will cover six states, namely Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala and Odisha. Next question. Which two nations were re-elected as the president and co-president of the International Solar Alliance for a term of 2 years? Answer is India and France. International Solar Alliance headquartered in Gurugram, Haryana. Head Upendra Tripathi. Next question. Which nation has contributed $1 million to the UNRWA for Palestine refugees in Near East? Answer is India. UNRWA, full form United Nations Relief and Works Agency, headquartered in Amman, Jordan. Commissioner General of UNRWA, Philip Lazarin. Next question. Name the CMD of NTPC whose term has been extended till July 31st, 2025. Answer is Gurdeep Singh. NTPC full form National Thermal Power Corporation. NTPC headquarters New Delhi, founded in 1975. Next question. Who has been named as the ambassador for the World Athletics Half Marathon Championship 2020? Answer is Konstantina Ditta. Next question. Epivac Corona is a second COVID-19 vaccine launched by which country after early stage studies? Answer is Russia. The first vaccine name is Sputnik V. Russia capital Moscow. Currency Russian ruble. Russia President Vladimir Putin. Then next question. World Students Day is observed every year on which day? Answer is 15 October. The day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This year marks the 89th birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam born on 15 October 1931 at Dhanushkodi, Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. Then next question. Which bank has won the Central Bank of the Year Award 2020? Answer is Bank of Ghana. The governor of Bank of Ghana is Ernest Kwamina Yedu Addison. Headquarters of Bank of Ghana in Accra, Ghana, founded in 1957. Next question. Name the governor of the Bank of England has won the Governor of the Year at the Central Bank of the Year Award 2020. Answer is Mark Carney. Which bank has collaborated with Apollo Hospitals to launch the Healthy Life program for its customers? Answer is HDFC Bank. The CEO of HDFC Bank is Aditya Puri, headquarters Mumbai, and a tagline is "We understand your world." Then next question. Which company has a partner with the AICTE to empower students and educators in new age technology? Answer is Microsoft. AICTE, full form All India Council for Technical Education. Microsoft CEO is Satya Nadella, founded in April 4, 1975, headquarters Washington, USA. Next question. Which state has launched Sujal Drink from Tap Mission scheme to provide piped water connections to all urban area by March 2022? Answer is Odisha. Odisha capital Bhubaneswar, Governor Ganeshi Lal, Chief Minister of Odisha Naveen Patnaik. Then next question. Which state government has signed a pact with the Vedanta Group Farm Hindustan Zinc Limited to set up a greenfield zinc smelter in the state? Answer is Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat, Gandhinagar, CM Vijay Rupani and Governor Acharya Devavrat. Then next question. World Standards Day is celebrated on which day of the year? Answer is October 14. The theme for 2020 is protecting the planet with standards. Then next question. Which company has launched its high impact TV campaign starring with 11 cricket stars as brand ambassadors? Answer is Bharat Pay. Which company has collaborated with Uber to push digital payments in India? Answer is Amazon Pay. The CEO of Uber is Dara Khosrowshahi, headquarters of Uber, California in USA. Next question. FATF Asia Pacific Group has kept which country in its enhanced follow-up list? Answer is Pakistan. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Prime Minister Imran Khan, President Arif Alvi. FATF full form Financial Action Task Force, headquarters of FATF, Paris, France. Then next question. Suraksha Kavach is the joint anti-terror exercise between Indian Army and which state's police? Answer is Maharashtra. The Suraksha Kavach, an anti-terror exercise held at Lulanagar, Pune, Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra, Mumbai. CM Uddhav Thackeray, Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Then next question. Which bank has approved $300 million loan for Rajasthan's water supply? Answer is Asian Development Bank. The Asian Development Bank President Masatsugu Asakawa, headquarters Philippines, ADB, founded in 1966. The CM of Rajasthan Ashok Gehlot, Governor Kalraj Mishra. Then next question. When the International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction is observed? Answer is October 13. The International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction was started in 1989. Next question. Name the former Indian football captain who has passed away recently. Answer is Carlton Chapman. Then next question. Which two persons have launched an Earthshot prize to boost climate innovation? Answer is Britain's Prince William and naturalist David Attenborough. Next question. Which state government has launched a mobile water testing laboratory van? Answer is Haryana. The capital of Haryana, Chandigarh. Governor Satyadev Narayan Arya, CM Manohar Lal Khattar. Next question. Which state has become the first state in the country to have completely digital high-tech classrooms in all its public schools? Answer is Kerala. The capital is Thiruvananthapuram. CM Pinarayi Vijayan, Governor Arif Mohammad Khan. Next question. Which state government has tied up with India Post to get 11,000 farmers enrolled in the PM Kisan scheme? Answer is Goa. Capital of Goa is Panaji. Governor of Goa Bhagat Singh Koshyari and Chief Minister of Goa Pramod Sawant. Next question. What is the rank of India among 158 countries in the 2020 commitment to reducing inequality index released by Oxfam? Answer is 1 to 9 rank. The 2020 commitment to reducing inequality index has been topped by Norway. The last country is South Sudan. India is in 129th rank. Then next question. Who has won the National Basketball Association Championship 2020 by defeating the Miami Heat? Answer is the Los Angeles Lakers. Next question. World Arthritis Day is observed on which day in the year? Answer is 12th October. The day was started by Arthritis and Rheumatism International in 1996 in order to raise the awareness about arthritis. Arthritis is an inflammatory condition which causes pain and stiffness in the joints. Then next question. Who has won the men's single French Open 2020 title? Answer is Rafael Nadal from Spain. Rafael Nadal defeating Novak Djokovic in 2020 French Open. Next question. Under which scheme Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the program of physical distribution of property cards? Answer is SBA MITVA scheme. The full form is Survey of a Village and Mapping with Improvised Technology in Village Areas. Next question. Who has won the 2020 Eiffel Grand Prix in Germany, held at in Germany? Answer is Lewis Hamilton from Great Britain. When the International Day of the Girl Child is celebrated? Answer is 11 October. The theme for International Day of Girl Child in 2020 is My Voice, Our Equal Future. The day was started in 2012. Then next question. Who has been roped in as the brand ambassador for the Indian badminton brand Transform? Answer is Chetan Anand. Which state has become the first Har Ghar Jal state in the country by providing tap water connection to every rural household? Answer is Goa. The capital of Goa is Panaji. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Then next question. Which state's Chief Minister has launched a new scheme named Jagannath Vidya Kanuk to distribute school kits among the poor children? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati. Governor Biswabhushan Harichandan and CM YS Jagan Mohan Reddy. Next question. Tree transplantation policy has been passed in which state or union territory to preserve trees for clean and green? Answer is Delhi government. The CM of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal and Governor Anil Baijal. Next question. Which bank has launched a new entry-level credit card in partnership with Google Pay? Answer is Axis Bank. Axis Bank headquarters in Mumbai. MD and CEO of Axis Bank, Amitabh Chaudhary. The name of this credit card is Axis ACE credit card. Then next question. Who inaugurated 44 bridges across 7 border states? Answer is Rajnath Singh. The Defence Minister is Rajnath Singh. Inaugurated 44 bridges built by the Border Roads Organization in 7 states including 8 in Uttarakhand. So I will cover this weekly current affairs. If any doubts or any suggestions, please do the comment below. Thank you for watching this video.